Welcome back. In this session, we will learn how to protect our dashboard. This dashboard has a few objects. It has pivot table slicers, shapes, and charts. And we may, by mistake, delete any of the objects from the dashboard. To prevent this, we should protect our dashboard. So we should go to the dashboard tab and then click on review. Here we have the option to protect the sheet. So we can click on protect. If we require, we can give it a password. But here for illustration purposes, I will not type the password. Click on OK. Now, if we click on this dashboard, we are able to click, but we are not able to touch any of the objects. We cannot also write anything in any cell. So whenever we press any key, we get this message that the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So we can't change anything in the dashboard. With the protect sheet feature, the problem here is that we are not able to click on any of the pivot table slicers. We are just able to click on the sheet, but we are not able to write anything. What we want is to protect the sheet, not the pivot table slicers, because we have to choose the region and the product category in the dashboard. So we will go back to the review tab and then unprotect sheet. So this is the unprotected sheet. Now to remove the pivot table slicer from the protection, click on the slicer, then right click and then select slicer size and properties. Here in properties section, we have the property that it is locked. So unlock or uncheck it and then go back to the second slicer, right click, size and properties, and then uncheck the lock box. Now go to the review tab and then protect sheet, click OK. Now we'll see that we are able to change the selection for the regions and the product category, and the numbers get automatically updated in our dashboard. And we are also not able to change any of the cells. We are just able to provide the inputs, or we are just able to select the options in the slicer. This is how we can protect our sheet. Go to review, unprotect. To protect it, click on protect. Here you have to ensure that these three checkboxes are selected. Once we unlock the option of the pivot table slicer, we are able to select the options in our dashboard. At the same time, all the other objects are protected. One more feature which we want to discuss is hiding the sheets. So in this dashboard, we don't need the dashboard picture. We can right click on the dashboard picture tab and then click on hide. We don't need the wireframe, so we can click on the wireframe and click hide. The data we always need because the data may be updated at times. Working file we may or may not want to show. So if we don't want to show, we can again right click it and then click on hide. Now, if we share this dashboard with someone else, we have the option to unhide the sheets. So the sheets which we have hidden, we can unhide it right clicking on the tab, on any tab, and then select unhide, and we can see the working sheet. There may be times when we don't want to share the working sheet. So in such case, we don't want to show it as hidden. So what we can do is we can right click on the working sheet and then select view code. In view code, here we have the sheet properties. The working sheet is selected, and here we have the option of visible. So -1 is visible, 0 is sheet is hidden, which we did previously. And the 2 option is Excel sheet very hidden. If we select this option Excel sheet very hidden, then close this Visual Basic Editor. Now we see that we have just the dashboard and the data sheets. If we right click and then select unhide, we just have the wireframe and the dashboard picture sheets. We can't see the working sheet over here. This is how we can protect our working sheet by selecting the very hidden feature in the VBA editor. If we want to show the working sheet, or if we don't want to hide the working sheet, we can again go back to the Visual Basic Editor. So select view code, select this sheet, and then you can make it visible. Now, if you go back, you see that you have the working sheet as visible. So this is how we can protect our dashboard and we can hide our working sheets. Thank you.